Today we're going to talk about factoring, trinomials, expressions, okay? And the trinomial expressions are going to be quadratic expressions. All right, and remember quadratics have a variable that is squared. All right, so let's learn this new method called AC slide and divide. Woo, woo. Okay, you awake now? All right, let's go. So we have 2x squared plus 3x subtract 9. Okay, so in the slide and divide method, you take the coefficient of the first term and multiply it times the last term. So what is 2 times negative 9? It is negative 18. So I write that last now. I copy down 3x. I copy down x squared. All right, nothing new there. All right, now I need two numbers that will multiply to give me 18, but when I add them, they give me 3. So I'm going to write the factors of 18. So 1 times 18 is 18. 2 times 9 is 18. 3 times 6 is 18. 4 doesn't go into 18 evenly. 5 does not go into 18 evenly. 6 goes into 18 evenly, but we already have it, so we're done when we get to a number we've already written. So out of these combinations, which ones will give me a 3? Ta-da! This one will. Okay? Now I need a positive 3. That means one of these numbers is going to have to be negative. Alright, so it's either going to be negative 3 plus 6. That gives me a positive 3. Or a positive 3 minus 6 gives me a negative 3. So it's this one. Now, you can use the Inspire to help you figure that out if you're not good with the positives and negatives in your head. Alright? So now I'm going to use these two numbers to write the factor. X minus 3 and x plus 6. Does not matter which one you put first. Okay? Now, the divide part, this right here, we did a times c. Now we're going to slide the number 2, the first term, down here. Alright, so we're going to divide by 2 and divide by 2. And then we're going to simplify our fractions. Well, heck, that won't simplify. So I slide that 2 over to the front, and this becomes 2x minus 3. Will 6 divided by 2 simplify? Hey, hey, yes it will. It simplifies to 3. Bam, there's my answer. I did the AC slide. Ha ha ha. I just wanted to make sure you were awake. Alright, let's try another one. Let's try 5x squared subtract 19x plus 12. Alright, first step, multiply the first and the last. 5 times 12, what does that give me? 60. Write it down. Copy down this one. Copy down just the x squared. Alright, so now I have x squared minus 19x plus 60. Alright, now I need to figure out what are my factors of 60. Now, if you're good with your multiplication facts, you don't need to write all this down. And if you're not good with your multiplication facts, you can use the Inspire the way Ms. Gartman showed you. Go to graph, put in 60 over x, and you can find your factors that way also. So I'm going to write them down. 1 is 60, 2 and 30, 3 and 10, What else? Turn my phone off. Alright, how many times will 4 go into 60? 4 and 15. What about 5? 5 and 12. What about 6? 6 and 10. 7, no. 8, no. 9, no. 10, yes. But I already have 10, so I'm done. Alright, so now which one of these combinations will give me 19? Hello, right there. I need a negative 19. So in order to make negative 19, both of these need to be negative. So I will have x minus 4 times x minus 15. Slide that 5 on down here. So it'll be divided by 5, divided by 5. This will not simplify, so I slide that 5 to the front. There's my first factor. Will 15 over 5 will simplify. 15 divided by 5 is 3. So this is x subtract 3. There's my answer. Look at there. Alright, let's do one more. Let's try this one. Let's do 2x squared plus 5x plus 2. I'm not going to write as much this time. Alright, multiply first and the last. That gives me 4. Copy down everything else. Okay, now I need to factor. I'm going to write it over here to the side. Two numbers that multiply to give me 4, that add to give me 5. 1 and 4, and 2 times 2. So this will give me 5. So this will be x plus 1, x plus 4. Slide this 2 on down. Divide by 2, divide by 2. This won't simplify, so it slides to the front. 2x plus 1. This will simplify to x plus 2. There's my answer. Okay, still not convinced? Let's do one more just for good measure. Alright, let's do 2x squared plus 11x plus 5. Okay, multiply first and the last. That gives me 10, positive 10. Copy down 11x, copy down x squared. What are my factors of 10? 1 and 10, and 2 and 5. Which one of these will give me 11? Positive 11. Those two. So, x plus 1, x plus 10. Slide that 2 on down. Divide by 2. Divide by 2. Simplify my fractions. This won't simplify, so it slides to the front. This will simplify, so I have x plus 5. Bam. There's my answer. Whoop, whoop. Go forth and conquer the trinomials with the AC slide. Happy